Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to build a FAQ accordion using HTML, CSS and a little bit of JavaScript. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell to stay up to date with my latest videos. Now let's take a look what we are going to build in this tutorial. So this is what we are going to build in this tutorial. This is a simple FAQ section. It contains 5 FAQs. If you hover over any of these, its color changes to red. And if you click any of these, it shows the content inside it, and the color of this question becomes dark. And if you pay attention over this icon, it's rotated by 180 degree if you click on this. And you can easily toggle any of these like this. And this project is completely responsive, as you can see over here. And I break down this project into 3 different videos. In the first video, I am going to cover only the HTML part, which is this one. And in the second video, I will add CSS to style this project. And in the third video, I will add JavaScript and media queries to make it completely responsive. And if you want to download assets for this project, just go to frontendmentor.io/challenges and search for FAQ and click on this view challenge button. And then click on the start challenge for free. It will download all the assets and started code for your project. As you can see over here, my downloading is completed now. I just need to extract this folder and then open this folder with your VS Code editor. Now our project is open with Visual Studio Code. First create 2 files. First one is style.css and second one is script.js file. Like this. And now open your index.html file and first remove this style tag because we are going to link our CSS externally, and then remove this div. If you want to keep this div, just keep it, but I am going to remove this for now. And then comment out this text so we can use it in our project later on. Now link your external CSS file using link tag like this. And then link your script.js file using script tag, and inside the source type script.js like this. Now we have completed all the basic setup. Now we can start coding it. So first create a container div, and inside this container div you need to create 2 div. First is image container to contain all the images, and create a second div with a class of FAQ container to contain all our FAQs inside this. Now inside this image container div, create 2 another div. First one is inner and second one is outer div. If you open your design file, we will place this computer illustration and this faded background illustration inside this inner div, and in the outer div which we will contain this box illustration. Inside this inner div, create a picture tag so we can easily render different images according to different screen sizes. So inside this picture tag, first create a source, and inside this source give it an attribute of source set like this. And inside this source set attribute, place the path of your image, which is /images/illustration name, which is this one. Now add second attribute, which is media, and give it a desired maximum width like this. I'm going to give it 890 pixels, and don't forget to close this bracket. And after that, create an image element and copy this source from here and paste inside this. Just change this mobile to desktop like this. And what does this code do is it will render this image when our screen size is less than or equal to 890 pixels. If our screen size is greater than 890 pixels, this image will render. Now we need another picture element for this faded background animation, so we can render this background according to the screen size. So for this, just copy this code and paste just below this like this, and then change the illustration name to this one and paste it over here as well, and then change mobile to desktop like this. So it also render this image when our screen size is less than or equal to 890 pixel, and it will render this background when our screen size is greater than 890 pixels. And now inside this outer div, place your box image, which is this one, and inside this source type ./images/ and then select this illustration and then save your HTML file. Now come to your FAQ container div and create h2 tag, and then inside this h2 type FAQ. Now I'm going to create a div for each FAQ like this, .FAQ-1 for first one, and then inside this type input like this and give it a type of checkbox so we can easily toggle the FAQ, and give it a ID of question 1 like this, and then add a label tag like this and give it a 4 attribute same as this ID. Just copy this and paste it over here, and inside this label tag copy first question from here and paste it over here, and below this label tag create a div with a class of content where we can place our content, basically answer for this question. Just copy the answer from here and paste it over here like this. Now you need to make 4 more copies of this one. Just copy this and paste it 4 more times, first, second, third and fourth. And now first change this class to FAQ-2 and then change this one to 2, and then change this 4 attribute as well. Please make sure your ID and 4 attribute have same value. Just go down and copy the second question and paste over here. Now I have created all the 5 FAQs and changed the content of each one. I'm again telling you ID of this input and this 4 attributes should be same for each one. And now open your file with live server extension. Just click over here. As you can see over here, this is our HTML file for now. I know this doesn't look good, but as we add CSS to it in the next video, it will look like this. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching this video.